How to send a snap to someone who isn't your friend on Snapchat on Android. This tutorial shows you how to snap someone without adding them first. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. From there, tap the Add People icon at the top right of the screen. After that, use the search bar to search for the person's username or name. At this point, once their profile appears, instead of tapping Add Friend, look for the Send Snap button next to their name and tap it. Following this will open the Snapchat camera directly. From here, take your snap by pressing and holding the capture button for a video or tapping it once for a photo. Finally, tap Send to deliver the snap to that person even though they're not on your friends list yet. Keep in mind that the other person may need to accept your snap request before they can view it, depending on their privacy settings. That's how you send a snap to someone who isn't your friend on Snapchat on Android. If this was useful, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.